We now move on to question 3. Amazingly, a life in danger can be saved by consulting a doctor on the phone. Amazingly, a life in danger can be saved by consulting a doctor on the phone. Now, you will clearly see that the choices given to this question are adverbs. These are adverbs of manner, meaning that the examiner was testing the candidates on the correct use of certain adverbs of manner. Now, for the candidates to have gone for the correct adverb of manner, it was important to relate the information given in number 3 and what we have been given to the first 2 sentences of this passage. We are told in the first paragraph, in fact the second sentence, it's actually not easy to imagine how we ever lived without them. They have made communication so much easier and faster. Amazingly, a life in danger can be saved by. This means that it's only choice D that will agree with what is in the first sentence, the second sentence, and the third one. That this has made life much easier and faster. Amazingly, life in danger can be saved by simply consulting a doctor on the phone. So the answer to question 3 is D. I continue and look at question number 4. Question 4 says, we can use our phones to send and receive money as well as we can. The choices are we can, even, still, just, likewise. Now, before you answer question 4, it's important to look at one of the uses of the mobile phones that has been given. So when we go back to this area where we are given amazingly, a life in danger can be saved by consulting a doctor on the phone. So this is one of the uses of a mobile phone. It's one of the uses of a mobile phone, consulting a doctor. Then number 2, we can use our phones to send and receive money. So this is another use of the mobile phone, sending and receiving money. This means, therefore, that choice A, question number 4, is correct. We can say now, we can even use our phones to send and receive money as well as number 5, carry on, carry off, carry out, carry through. These are, we call them as phrasal verbs. These are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. So question 5 is testing on the most appropriate phrasal verb that will further explain the uses of the mobile phones. And this means, because we are looking at a given task of the mobile phone, the function of the mobile phone, it's only choice C which explains the role of the mobile phone in the context in question. And therefore we talk of carrying out certain banking operations, performing certain banking operations, doing certain banking operations. Question 6,